Now check this out. You can easily create a simple Clickbank affiliate website like this with all the necessary elements of a full-fledged website, all for free. Actually, you can hardly tell if this website was built using a free Google website, right? Now, if you have a website and you don't like worrying about the hosting and domain cost, Google Site can be a great free alternative to creating a full-fledged functioning website, and in this video, I'm going to show you how. Hi there, I'm Winston from tubemechanicsnotes.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple Clickbank affiliate website using the free Google site. So here is what we'll be going through in this video. We are going to start off by looking at why you should consider using Google site to build your website. Then, since we want to use Clickbank to promote affiliate products, we'll be looking at Clickbank and deciding on the Google website niche. After that, we'll go into creating the actual website itself on the free Google site. And if you keep watching till the end of this video, I will show you an easy way of creating content on your website that will easily convert to Clickbank sales. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making monies with videos as an affiliate marketer, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So, what is Google Sites and why should you consider using it in the first place? Well, as I've already mentioned, Google Site is a tool offered by Google for anyone to create a simple website without worrying about hosting or domain costs. Google Site is 100% free. You can even use it to build a website for an organization that doesn't have the technical knowledge about building websites or simply not willing to spend the money for hosting the website. Most affiliate marketers use Google Site to get free traffic and sometimes earn commissions from the affiliate products linked on the website. Now, here is why you should consider using Google Site if you are just starting out and you want to test things around. For a start, Google Site has a built-in authority, and as you know, Google prefer to rank their own products just like you see they do with YouTube videos. You can easily get traffic quickly and easily using a Google site than building your own website from scratch. Of course, you will not have total control over the Google site as you would do on your own hosted website. The disadvantage of using Google site as opposed to your own hosted website is that you will not be able to use the tool that will make your life online way easy as you would do on your own hosted service. But still, Google site is more than you can ask for when starting out online. Let's now head over to Clickbank and start looking for a niche to create a Google site on. Of course, in this case, you can always replace Clickbank with any other affiliate network program. So if you can't create an account with Clickbank for whatever reason, you can use digistore24.com for example. It has similar niches and products as the Clickbank marketplace. When it comes to promoting Clickbank products, the best products have always been anything to do with health, wealth, or relationships. So when talking about promotable categories here on Clickbank, these are known as the big three. It's where most people spend their money. Plus the fact that these big three categories offer solutions to problems that people really want solved fast. People of course want to save their marriages or relationship in the case of the relationship niche. They want to lose weight before their wedding in the case of the health niche. And many of us want to make an extra $5 in the weekend in the case of the wealth niche. You get the point. So in this example, I'm just going to choose one of those big three niches or categories, and I'll be going with the health and fitness niche. Now, before we start looking at the sub niches and the products within the sub niches to promote, let's first get the website on Google site set up. Don't forget to hit the like button below this video and keep watching if you would like to see how to create a simple Clickbank website using the free Google sites. Now, the only thing you need to get started with a Google site is a Google account, and if you already have a Gmail address, that's all you need to create a full Clickbank affiliate website with an about page, contact page, and so on. You can also later associate your created Google website to a custom domain with a .com or .net extension. But first, you want to go to sites.google.com, and if you are asked to sign in before proceeding, you want to do that using the sign-in information of the Google account you want to create your Google website on. After signing in, you have these templates to create whatever landing page or website you want to create on this platform. I've already shown you in one of the videos on this channel how to use Google Site to create a squeeze page to promote Clickbank products. You can watch that video by clicking on the link that pops up on the top right of this video. Now, since I want to show you the features that you can use to build a website on Google Site, I'll start off with a blank template. The blank template comes with a default header and title element so that all you have to do is edit it to your heart's desire. On the right side here, you have all the individual elements that you can use to build your website. So here you have the text element, the image element, the embed element, and here below you have some section templates that will help you easily add sections into your web pages. Then here below you have options like the text collapse options, table of content option, button divides, and so on. Now, I've already created a simple template of a website, so I don't have to waste your time creating it all from scratch. Instead, I'll just walk you through to show you how to do it yourself. So this is a simple website I created, and we are just quickly going to go through step by step on what I did to create this website. So there are plenty of tools to use at your disposal. Now, to customize your web page or your website, you might want to start by entering your page name here. And if you want to add a custom image to the website, simply hover your cursor over the header area here, and you see here below where it says change image. When you click on it, you'll see the option to upload your own custom image or choose one from the Google Gallery. You can also use this option to upload an image using the image link. You can also add the website logo by clicking on the logo option here and use the pop-up that appears to upload the website logo and favy icon. A website favy icon is this little image that appears on the browser next to the website link. Now, adding content on your web page or your website is very easy using these elements on the right side here. So you can add text, for example, on your website or on your web page by simply clicking on the text element here on the right side, and it will be added to the template on the left side. You can use the text element to add the page header, title, subheader, or an article or blog content. You can easily choose from a number of different text fonts and sizes. You can also use it to add a link out of the web page or website, and so on. The same goes with the image element. Now, if you want to add a video content, for example, just scroll below the elements area here and look for the YouTube option. So these are other additional elements you can use to create your website content. You have elements like table of content, placement holders, forms, and much more. Now, when it comes to creating pages like this here at the top, simply click on the page option here. So these are examples of pages I've already created for this website, and as you can see here, the home page is the first page we just edited. The other pages will depend on what you would like to call them. In this case, I created an about page, a contact page, and a blog page. You can also add sub pages or posts in the case of a blog like I've done here. So when you hover your cursor over the blog option here, you see the different categories or sub pages, and it will appear like this on every page you create on the website. Now, to create a page, simply hover your cursor over this plus sign here below, and you have the option to link directly to an online page or create one from scratch. To create a page from scratch, simply click on this option and add in the page name, and then click on done. Now, when it comes to creating the contact page, you can add a form to it by opening the page and then go to the insert tab and select the form option. Then you can start customizing the form however you want. If you would like to create a sub page or category on your website, simply hover your cursor over the page you want to add as a sub page, and you'll see these three dots appear. Click on it and you'll see these other options appear. So here you can change the page to a home page, duplicate it, change the name of the page with the properties option, or hide it completely from the navigation. The last option here is where you can choose the theme or color of the website. So when I click on any of these, you can see the changes taking place on the template. Now, if you are creating a website that needs additional pages like the terms of service page or the disclaimer page in the case where you are creating an affiliate website, you can simply create the site footer and add all the pages there. So to create a website footer, simply hover your cursor here and click on the add footer button and start adding in the links to the pages. Of course, if at any time you are ready to make your website go live online, the blue publish button is easily available here at the top. And once you click on it, you have several options to consider before you move forward. You will first have the option to name your website, and whatever you add here will become part of your website link. So your link will be something like site.google.com/your website name. So you want to make your website name here short and unique. You also have the option to use a custom domain name if you choose. Let me know in the comments area below this video if you would like to see a video on how to link your domain name with your Google site website. Finally, you may also have the option to share your website only with specific groups by choosing manage and add their emails. Now, if you're interested in making money with Clickbank using free Google sites, make sure to watch the second part of these video tutorials by clicking on the video link below this video. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.